Hi, I'm Diane Herring. This evening we are at the range, so I wanted to demonstrate for you how to draw, index, and put 2 rounds on the target. Now I want to show you how to grip your gun, get a good grip, index, in regular time. You can practice this at home with an empty gun always and an empty mag. But the more muscle memory you get, the better you will become at grabbing your gun from the holster, bringing it up to your sight picture, and straight out to the 0 zone. Grab the gun, make sure your web of your hand is here, and straight up and out. Just like that. Practice that, 10 or 15 minutes a day, and you'll have enough muscle memory that when you get ready to, your gun will be right there. When you're ready, grab your gun, bring it up. Come to the same place every time. Thank you. Now I'm going to load hot, and I'm going to show you how to do that with a loaded gun. Always just a finger off the trigger. Remember to come up on your gun, hand at the web of your hand here. And reholster. That was a good shot. That was a good double. Now I'm going to show you how to spin around 3 rounds on the target. Looks good. Okay, now I want to show you how to engage multiple targets who are threats. This is really close for anyone to do to you, especially if they just act like they're aggressive or show you a weapon, a knife or a gun or club, whatever they happen to have. You want to be able to get to your firearm, bring it out, and shoot from attention as close to your body as you can so they can't come forward with their hands or whatever they have in their hands and knock your gun out of your hand. You also need to be engaging them verbally. You want them to know that you know they're a threat. While you're backing up, you tell them so. Stop! 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 We've gotten creative here, and we've put some glasses so you can see from the perpetrator's point of view what's happening. So these are my 2 threat targets, and they, as you can see, very, very close to me, and I'm very uncomfortable. I don't like it at all. I know they're already aggressive. They've already said they are. So what I'm going to do is stop! Stop! Okay, I think they're... Okay, now I want to show you how to engage multiple targets who are threats. This is really close for anyone to be to you, especially if they should act like they're aggressive or show you a weapon, a knife or a gun or club, whatever they should happen to have, you want to be able to get to your firearm, bring it out, and shoot from attention as close to your body as you can so they can't come forward with their hands or whatever they have in their hands and knock your gun out of your hand. You also need to be engaging them verbally. You want them to know that you know they're a threat. While you're backing up, you tell them so. Stop, 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 stop! So these are my two threat targets, and they, as you can see, very, very close to me, and I'm very uncomfortable. I don't like it at all. I know they're already aggressive. They've already said they are. So what I'm going to do is stop, 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 stop! Okay, I think they're stopped. Indexing correctly, grabbing my gun correctly, with my hand up close to the dovetail of the slide. So when I come out, each time, get that muscle memory going, come straight out, hit in the same spot. Back up a little, make sure I'm still got the right grip, right to the aim. That one was maybe just a hair off. Try it a little faster. Other target, see how we're doing. That's good. Got to keep that muscle memory.
Try true to body, one to the head. Remember to pull your gaze up.
All right, now I'm going to try two to the body, one to the head. Make sure I keep my grip and my sight picture. When I do the head, when you want to shoot a headshot, you want to be sure and bring your eyes up to the head. Those are good. A little faster. Keep your gun up, reload, headshot.